Now let us discuss Plato's concept of justice. Plato's concept of justice cannot be identified with the legal justice as exists today. It is most fundamental, ethical and political concept as well as complex and ambiguous. It may refer to individual virtue, the order of society, as well as individual rights in contrast to the claims of general social order. In his book The Republic, Plato starts with a question: what is justice? He used the Greek word dikaisene for justice, which comes very close to the word morality or righteousness and includes within it the whole duty of men. It also covers the whole conduct of an individual which affects others. Plato contended that justice is the quality of soul and the virtue of men. It implies that a person should do only one function that is best suited to his natural aptitude without meddling with the domains of others. So, a ruler is just if he rules wisely, and a soldier is just if he shows chivalry in a war. To put it simple, Plato says there has to be three classes in society, that is, the philosopher king, soldiers, and common people. They are functionally specialized in their respective field in the sense that the philosopher king is specialized in the decision making due to his wisdom, and the soldiers are specialized in defense and war because of their courage, and the common people should perform the work which is inferior to both. If the all groups perform their functions properly and not interfere with the work of others, then it will be justice. If the people or the soldiers overthrow the king and become king themselves, then that will be injustice. According to Plato, justice exists in two forms. The first one is the individual, and the second one is the societal. Individually, justice is human virtue that makes man self consistent and good. Social justice is self consciousness that makes society internally harmonious and good. If we are looking at the criticism of Plato's theory of justice, Plato's concept of justice is regarded as undemocratic since it does not treat all the individuals as equal. In Plato's ideal state, Plato delegates the power to the best qualified and educated people, not to the general population. And Barker point out that the theory of justice of Plato is something that expect everyone to confined to a particular place, and it do not encourage change.